Math 6, Unit 9 retake. Ratios, rates, proportions, and measurement conversion. Question 1. Golf balls come in a variety of packages. A particular brand of golf ball comes in a package of 15 golf balls and a package of 18 golf balls. The package with 15 golf balls costs $5.85, and the package with 18 golf balls costs $6.48. What is the better deal? What is the unit price of the better deal? A. 15 pack at 39 cents per golf ball. B. 15 pack at $2.56 per golf ball. C. 18 pack at $2.78 per golf ball. D. 18 pack at 36 cents per golf ball. Question 2. A plate contains the following items: carrots 8, peas 13, peppers 26, green beans 39. What is the ratio of peppers to peas? Question 3. Bars of soap come in packages of 8 and packages of 15. If the 8-bar pack costs $4.84 and the 15-bar pack costs $8.70, which is the better deal, and what is the price per bar of the better deal? A. 8-pack at $1.65 per bar. B. 8-pack at 61 cents per bar. C. 15-pack at 58 cents per bar. D. 15-pack at $1.72 per bar. Number 4. How many centimeters are in 15 feet, given that 1 inch is about 2.54 centimeters? Number 5. Find the missing value in the pair of equivalent fractions. 2 over 9 equals n over 63. A. 126, B. 7, C. 14, D. 0. Number 6. Hale compared the number of black marbles he had to the number of white marbles he had. Which statement correctly describes Hale's marbles? A. For every 1 white marble, Hale has 2 black marbles. B. For every 2 white marbles, Hale has 1 black marble. C. For every 5 white marbles, Hale has 1 black marble. D. For every 1 white marble, Hale has 5 black marbles. Number 7. The chart below shows the approximate number of kilometers for selected distances in miles. Number of miles: 6.25, 12.5, 18.75, 37.5. Number of kilometers: 10, 20, 30, 60. Which is the closest to the number of kilometers in 50 miles? A. 80, B. 100, C. 120, D. 140. Question 8. Write the ratio of turtles to seals 3 ways. Number 10. In Mrs. Cole's 3rd period class, there are 8 boys for every 5 girls. If there are a total of 91 students in that class, how many of them are boys? Number 20. Which type of ratio best represents the following statement? We planted 8 sunflowers and 20 flowers. A. Part to part. B. Hole to hole. C. Part to hole. D. Hole to part. Question 11. Draw a tape diagram or a double number line and use it to solve the problem. Trail mix was made by combining almonds and grapes in a 5-to-2 ratio. If 16 ounces of grapes were used, how many ounces of almonds were used? Number 12. Some drinks come in 1.5 liter bottles. What is this volume in ounces? 1 ounce is about 0.03 liters. A. 0.045, B. 5, C. 50, D. 0.45. Question 13. Mammoth Cave is the longest cave system in the world. So far, 587.65 kilometers of the cave have been explored. What is the distance in miles? 1 mile equals 1.61 kilometers. Round to the nearest thousandth if necessary. A. 946.117. B. 365. C. 0.003. D. 589.26. 14. A sports store has the following number of balls. Baseball's 59, softball's 10, football's 88, soccer ball's 40. A ratio of balls in the store to footballs is 197 to 88. Which of the following best describes this ratio? A. Part to part. B. Hole to hole. C. Part to hole. D. Hole to part. Number 15. The ratio of boys to girls who participated in the pie eating contest was 4 to 3. There were 32 boys. How many girls participated? Draw a tape diagram below to determine how many girls participated. Number 16. Complete the table to determine the cost of one cookie. Number of cookies: 1, 2, 4, 6, 10. Price: blank, blank, $3.20, $4.80, $8.